What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, welcome in general. My name is Reese, and today, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a super cute high puff. It's really simple, and I've been doing this hairstyle for the past couple days, so I decided I would come show you guys how I do it. So before we get started, if you're not already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and click the bell notification sign so that you can get directly notified when I upload. And if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Okay. So yeah, you guys, that's going to complete this video. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.